I'm Armay.
And where are you from?
I'm from Surrey.
And where did you study?
I studied at Pacific Coast Community College last year, January 2014.
Okay. And which program were you studying?
Acute care skills for healthcare assistants.
Okay. And where did you do your clinical practicum?
I did my practicum at Vancouver General Hospital.
Okay. And do you remember who was your instructor there?
I can still remember her first name, Sharon.
Okay. Now you tell me, just in your own words, but the program of study and the work that you did in the clinical, do you think that actually helped you become more competitive in the workforce?
Yes, I firmly believe that it really helped me. After I graduated that course, I was able to land a job at Fraser Health. And before, I was really having a hard time getting into hospitals. But after I put that on my resume that I graduated and have that certificate, then I got a call and I got an interview and they hired me. And now I'm working at rehab department of Fraser Health. I'm dealing with people with injuries. They're experiencing stroke, brain injury, and I am there helping out the RNs and LPNs and the physiotherapists of these clients for them to be able to be independent before they go home.
And what would you say, just percentage-wise, how much did your income change from before you started the program until after when you landed the acute care jobs?
To be honest, it doubled.
It doubled?
Yeah, it doubles my income because before, my rate when I was still working in a home care agency, before I took that course, my rate was 12. And now that I'm working at Fraser Health, my rate is now 22.82 per hour. And we're working like 8 hours a day.
And you have room to grow depending on which jobs you apply for within Fraser Health.
Yes,
right?
Because if you are an employee of Fraser Health, after 6 months you can actually apply to another facility. Like you can work in 2 hospitals. Now I'm working at Surrey Memorial. I still have the chance to work like in Burnaby or Peace Arch, any other hospitals that under Fraser Health.
What do you think about your instructors at Pacific Coast?
Oh, they're very helpful. They're very knowledgeable. Sharon was very helpful in teaching us what to do while we were there at VGH. She was very like informative, and she was very generous to give us the information that we really needed after we graduate and after that course.
So do you think you would recommend someone who's currently working as a healthcare assistant in British Columbia, do you think that the Acute Care Skills Program at Pacific Coast is a program that you would recommend they take?
Yes, I would highly recommend, yes, because based on my experience before I took that course, I was really having a hard time getting into a hospital or a facility, because especially hospital, because the managers, when you talk to them, they will ask you first, do you have that certificate of acute care skills for HCA?
And when you look at the postings online on Fraser Health, what are most of the jobs in your area? What are they looking for?
For now, they're looking for RNs and care aides. So,
care aides with acute?
Yes,
yeah.
Acute care aides.
Okay, that's awesome. Is there anything you would tell somebody who is, thinking about starting the course? Is there something they should prepare for? Or
I think for those who want to get into this course, then they have to be prepared themselves that they have to really be passionate, and they have to have that eagerness to learn, because it's so nice to work with passion, and it's so nice to also study with passion. So that would be easy for you to learn and be able to apply those learnings and skills when you're in your job.
Armay, I really appreciate your time. Thanks very much, and I
Thank
know
you so
that other
much.
people appreciate hearing your point of view and your experience.
Thank you.
Okay.